Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Mite Remover 3 Pro positions itself as a highly specialized cleaning device designed for a very specific but increasingly relevant problem: household allergens, particularly dust mites. Rather than trying to replace a traditional vacuum cleaner, it focuses on deep cleaning soft surfaces like mattresses, sofas, and carpets, where mites and fine particles tend to accumulate the most. At first glance, the design reflects Xiaomi's typical approach: clean, compact, and practical. Weighing around 1.7 kilos, it strikes a balance between portability and durability, making it easy to maneuver across large surfaces without causing fatigue. Cordless build is especially important here, since cleaning beds or upholstery can be awkward with a cable constantly getting in the way. Performance is where the device clearly aims to stand out. The 17,000 pascals suction power is strong for a specialized handheld cleaner, but what really enhances its effectiveness is the high-frequency tapping system operating at 72,000 beats per minute. This combination allows it to loosen deeply embedded dust, skin flakes, and mites before immediately extracting them. In real-world use, this mechanical agitation is what separates it from standard vacuums that often struggle to pull debris out of thick fabrics. One of the more modern touches is the inclusion of a smart dust mite sensor paired with an LED display. This gives the device a more interactive feel, showing real-time information about cleaning status and contamination levels. In Smart Mode, the suction power automatically adjusts depending on how dirty the surface is, which not only improves cleaning efficiency, but also helps conserve battery life. Battery performance is decent, though clearly optimized for targeted cleaning sessions rather than whole home use. With a 2500 mAh battery, users can expect up to 30 minutes in moderate mode, while Smart Mode fluctuates between 15 and 25 minutes depending on workload. The strongest mode, as expected, drains faster at around 15 minutes. Filtration is another area where the Mite Remover 3 Pro performs strongly. Its 6-layer filtration system is capable of capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns, with a claimed efficiency of 99%, which is crucial for allergy sufferers. Perhaps the most distinctive feature is the integration of UV sterilization combined with ultrasonic technology. Importantly, Xiaomi has included a safety mechanism that automatically turns off the UV light when the device is lifted, addressing potential concerns about exposure. Maintenance is straightforward, which is essential for a device that deals with fine dust and allergens. Washable filters and an easy-to-empty dust cup reduce long-term upkeep costs and make it easier to keep the device performing at its best. Overall, the Mijia Mite Remover 3 Pro feels like a well-thought-out tool for a niche but important task. It doesn't try to be an all-in-one vacuum, but instead excels at deep cleaning fabrics and reducing allergens in the home. For users who suffer from allergies or simply want a higher level of hygiene in their sleeping and living areas, it offers a compelling mix of strong performance, smart features, and practical design at a relatively accessible price point. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.